Soursop leaves are part of the soursop plant, which has many benefits for the body, including for facial beauty. In addition to delicious soursop fruit, soursop leaves also have many benefits. One of the first benefits of soursop leaves is that it helps with acne. Acne is the most common problem experienced by many people, especially women. How to use soursop leaves to deal with acne is to prepare about 6 soursop leaves and mash until smooth, then mix with rose water, and apply as a mask on the face that has been cleaned before. Use this face mask regularly before going to sleep to get optimal results. The second problem that is often faced is the appearance of black spots on the face. Soursop leaves can also be used as an alternative to help eliminate or fade black spots on the face. How to prepare it is to provide about 6 soursop leaves and mash until smooth, mix rose water and apply as a mask on the face. Blackheads are one of the most annoying facial problems and can reduce self-confidence. Face masks from soursop leaves can also be used as an alternative to overcome the problem of blackheads.